Channel. Thank you so much. So we are checking out another Finnish comedy from Komeli, and it says Mori Perala, and it has an English subtitle, so I think it's make us laugh very well. So kindly go like, share, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into it.
Seuraavaksi me tapaamme Maurin. Moi Mauri. Mauri, mikä sun nimesi on?
Peter Stålhammar.
Kuinka vanha?
How can you ask someone how old is he? 22, that's a lie. For 3 years.
Mikä on sun ammatti?
What is your profession?
No, mä oon
Surgeon. Storage worker. Cheese.
Oletko sä naimisissa?
Mä oon poikamies.
Married and 3 children.
Missä sä asut?
Eirassa.
Why is he lying?
Mikä auto sulla on?
Lexus.
No cap.
Mauri, hieman tämmönen henkilökohtainen kysymys. Paljonko sulla on pankissa rahaa?
46 000 markkaa.
Mauri, onko sulla kesämökkiä?
On.
Mielimusiikkia.
Tchaikovsky, Sibelius ja kaikki klassinen.
Mitä sä harrastat?
Operaa ja golfia ja kalliokiipeilyä.
Watching TV. Jesus.
Kiitos Mauri, ja lopuksi kerro meille vielä, mikä on sun sotilasarvo?
Major. Exempted from service. This was so funny. This was so funny. Why was he giving wrong answers? Like, why? This was so funny. The last one got to me. He said he was a major in the military. Why he was exempted from service. Let me know in the comment section if you would love to see more Finnish comedy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.